So these are the low back stretches that I'd like you to do, and these can be done every day. If you want, you can do them just once a day, or you can also do them in the morning and before bed. So number one, cat-cow. You're going to be on all fours. Cat position, including the head comes down as well as far as you can, so full flexion everywhere. And then cow. This is the cat waking up in the morning, and this is the cow. Go back and forth between these, doing 15 of each. From this position, drop back down into a child's pose, stretch right out. You can also put your hands behind your back, and that'll allow you to get a little further if you want to get more stretch through the low back here. And hold that for a few seconds, and then repeat that about 5 times. Then we'll go on to our back, knees to chest. Pull the knees into your chest both together, and hold for a second at full flexion. You can do that a few times. You can also do single knees at once if you like. You can do one at a time. From here, we go into knee rotations, so you're going to let your knees fall to one side, hold for a second, and then back to the other side. And repeat that 5 times per direction. And from here, you can grab a towel, a t-shirt, whatever you like. Put that around the toes. Grab that. Push your toes down and pull your back this opposite way. So my back is slumping backwards and my toes are pulling forwards. And that stretches out the muscles in my low back. That's actually a really nice stretch. Some people can reach without this. You can just go right with the hands to the toes, and that works great as well. So those are some basic low back stretches that you can do a couple times a day to keep things loose.